Hey guys, Todd here. Today we're going to install the Superguard bug shield from EGR on this 2020 Ram 2500. For this installation, I'll be using a Phillips head screwdriver, a fastener removal tool, and a Sharpie. Well, make sure you're subscribed to our channel to stay up to date with all our latest content. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is flip over our bug shield. We're going to notice we've got 6 tangs hanging off the bottom of the bug shield. Each one of those tangs has an oval shaped hole. So what we're going to do is we're going to dry fit the bug shield in place on top of our hood. And notice we've got some fasteners on the hood that are going to line up with some of those tangs. What we're going to do is mark those. I've already got them marked, each one. We're going to go ahead and pull those fasteners out. All right, so what we're going to do is take a fastener removal tool, just slip it underneath there and wiggle it out. And repeat for all of our fasteners. Now for each one of your holes that are left from the factory fasteners, we're going to peel back the hood seal, reveal that hole. In your kit, you're going to have some new plastic fasteners. You've got a point on this side that's going to go into that hole. Go ahead and insert those and make sure that they are aligned in a horizontal fashion, not in a vertical fashion. Let's have them like this, not like that. Now go ahead and repeat that for all 6 holes. All right, now we're going to go ahead and put the bug shield in place. For each one of the tabs hanging off, we're going to go ahead and pull back the seal and slide that tab between the seal and the hood. Okay, now what we're going to do is go ahead and peel back our seal so we can see what's going on. You'll see we've got that oval shaped hole in the tab. What we're going to do is move that up until it lines up to our fastener. That fastener will drop right into that oval shaped hole. Next in our kit, we're going to take a screw with a washer, use a Phillips head screwdriver, and go ahead and start that into that fastener. We're not going to tighten it down just yet. We're just going to get it started, get all 6 of them started. Then once all 6 of them are started, center everything up to your liking and tighten all 6 of them down with the Phillips head screwdriver. Well, that concludes the installation. If you have any questions, call the experts or visit us online. Well, if you found that helpful, make sure you give us a like. Also, subscribe to our channel to keep up with our new projects and builds. And make sure you ring that bell if you want to be notified every time we come out with some new content.